Now you want to learn how you can make thousands of dollars with just a simple net passive income strategy right from home. First, go to this website called mangles.com. I will link this website in the description box below. SEO is a tool that improves SEO, also known as search engine optimization, which means how your website ranks in Google, how likely people are to visit your website, how easy it is to discover, and things like this type. But don't worry, you don't need to have any website, and you don't earn SEO knowledge. Just follow the steps of this tutorial. You don't need to invest to earn money, so your first step is to just visit this site and read more about it if you want. So you have to register and it's totally free. So click here, come to the top of the page. To create an account, you need to enter your email address and create a password and click on I am not a robot and just go to create my Mangles account. Once you have successfully logged into your Mangles account, you should have something be similar to this. Go to Google at this point. In a minute, we just need to copy something first. Go back to the website and here in the top right corner you can see the affiliate section and you can join their affiliate program. In pays 30% recurring monthly commission, and if you go back to their pricing plan, you'll see that their most popular plan is $39.90 per month, which means you make about $11.97 per month per person you refer. You earn money. This is your monthly income without you having to lift a finger. If 100 people refer, you have passive income of $1,100 per month. Of course, there are some cheaper schemes here that you can even make more money from if you continue to the end of the video. I will show you where you should put your affiliate link, how to copy and paste something, and how to use Google to get maximum referrals for absolutely free. The process will be almost fun. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. We are going to go into affiliate link advertising here so you can see your affiliate link here. This is the main affiliate link that earns us money when people click on it, sent to this page where they can sign up Mangles, and depending on the plan they choose, we will earn monthly. So by clicking this affiliate link button, copy. Back to Google in this episode, just think for a moment who needs better SEO, better rankings, and more visitors to their website. Well, obviously there are hundreds of billions of websites in the world right now. They bought more importantly those who have enough money to invest in Mangles through your affiliate link so they can benefit from this tool and so they can earn passive income every month. And you just have to do it one more time. Who would benefit from this tool but have enough money to invest in it? Obviously, any businesses that has a website. Did you know there are over 1 billion websites out there and you only need 100 of them to use your referral link and you'll be making thousands of dollars a month? In fact, over $2,000 a year without lifting a finger That's just crazy, but of course, you have to work a little first. This is not getting rich. You just Google businesses, dentist, pet shop, salon, or literally anything you can think of, and then just think of a small place, a small town or city. So it brings you the most income and the best results. So, like I said, it's going to be a really fun process that's like a game that you think is a little bit small. Try a place to think about businesses. Try different types of search and easily find your referrals in some next steps. For example, I am looking for a dentist in Carolina. You can even open a map and randomly select locations. There are thousands of businesses out there that need your help and are willing to invest in their business because they can see a huge return on that invest. Open some of these websites and 99% of them will see their contact information at the bottom or top of the website. So just find the email address or any other contact from and let's offer them your affiliate link and give them help. You can use ChatGPT AI to write a script. Using this AI, you can prepare attractive scripts for your marketing. So you can earn thousands of dollars for free with this platform with this strategy that I introduced to you.